The Rad-97 Pulse CO-Oximeter is available with integrated NomoLine capnography for continuous monitoring of end-tidal CO2, fractional CO2, and respiration rate. An integrated port on the front of the device, also called the leggy connector, allows for a direct connection of NomoLine sampling lines. The leggy connector provides visual indications of NomoLine capnography status by illuminating in different colors. When the leggy is illuminated green, the NomoLine capnography analyzer is ready for use. The back of the device also features a capnography gas sample exhaust port. On Rad-97, capnography measurements can be displayed in numeric or trend view. Numeric view features a high-resolution real-time ET-CO2 waveform, or capnogram, as well as numeric values for ET-CO2, FI-CO2, and respiration rate. Trend view allows clinicians to trend capnography measurements and use the multi-touch screen to easily scroll through trend data. Rad-97 is compatible with a wide variety of NomoLine no-moisture sampling lines for sidestream capnography and gas monitoring. A patented polymer allows water in the NomoLine sampling line to evaporate into the surrounding air while leaving oxygen, carbon dioxide, and anesthetic gas measurements unaffected. Designed for low-flow applications with functionality in any orientation, NomoLine sampling lines can be used in a variety of clinical scenarios on both intubated and non-intubated adult, pediatric, infant, and neonatal patients in both low and high humidity configurations.